Hi friends, if you are looking for a clean and perfect WordPress theme which is having minimal feature but very effective design, this video is exactly for you. In this video we have Hestia Pro WordPress theme, and it is really a wonderful theme. It has two reasons. It is in material design and it also comes free to download. So if you are not using the pro version, you can use the free version of Hestia WordPress theme, and it is really a wonderful theme if you are looking for a very slick design, beautiful, elegantly coded one-page WordPress theme, and you can create a very wonderful business website using the Hestia WordPress theme. And this theme has all the standard features which you need on your business website, and in this video we are going to install the pro version. In fact, however, you can use the free version for your website and it works very fine, in fact. So I'll show you each and every feature of this Hestia WordPress theme along with the installation. If there is any demo content, we will also import the demo part, and we will preview the theme options, customization options as well. So stay tuned on this video and watch until end. And if you are new to this channel, you may please subscribe this channel because we are bringing all the great WordPress theme plugins and utilities for you, and it is really going to be helpful if you are willing to create a clean design business website, and that too with e-commerce facility. So if we talk about the Hestia Pro features, so it is a stylish one-page theme perfect for any type of business. Enjoy the high performance that comes with great user experience. This is the introduction of Hestia WordPress theme, and what makes this theme special is the slick material design, in fact. And it has a great compatibility with the page builder and all within the customizer. So it has all great features, and you have every option available to make your site unique using the Hestia WordPress theme. So the key features, if you want to discuss, so that is available all in one place, and you can take full control within the customizer. And it is really great that use Elementor to as a page builder of your choice, and you can use any page builder. So Gutenberg is here, and WP Bakery you can use, Elementor you can use, and WooCommerce is already compatible with this theme. So it is choice is yours. And material design theme, using a material design theme gives you an extra edge of speed, in fact, and this material design theme works very fine, and speed always better than the regular theme. So this is going to be a technical advantage for you. And I'll show you the fast loading website as well. This is the website, and if we talk about the website, so you can see the speed. It has all the features like 1 minute setup, live customizer, video tutorials, custom background, SEO optimized, and responsive design. And this is of course optimized for speed. So you can see the speed of this website. It loads in just clicks, and this is being the advantage. And if we talk about the WooCommerce features, this also works very fine. You can see the speed, the WooCommerce portion as well. So this is the out of stock material, in fact. Now I'll show you the another product. Yes, it is available. So add to cart option. So generally add to cart option works slow in WooCommerce part, but you can see in this Hestia WordPress theme it is working in a lightning super fast speed, and this is being the main advantage of using a material design theme. Okay, so this is checkout is yet not configured. Okay, fine. So we are going to install the Hestia Pro WordPress theme in this video, and we will also preview rest of the options. So this is being a fresh installation of WordPress, in which the default WordPress theme 2021 is installed by default, and it is running 5.8 to WordPress, the latest version of WordPress. And I have the Hestia Pro theme package as well. In the theme package I just got the zip version, and we shall be using this for installation purpose. So for installing the Hestia Pro, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress. Let us start with the installation and click on add new and upload theme, choose file, and I shall be using the Hestia Pro.zip file here, and simply click on install now. It works very fine, and installation process is so simple. So I'll show you all this in this video only. Okay, so this screen may take time because it is uploading the theme as well, and you can see it got uploaded in just few seconds. So we can simply have a live preview and of the theme for the time being, and this is being the live preview of the theme which we are going to get after activating the theme. And now we can activate it, activate and publish this here. Okay, great. So it has been activated and published. Now we have an option that we need. If we want, we can import the demo content, and so we have an option to import the demo content here. Meanwhile, we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme, and this is the base. This is being the core look of Hestia WordPress theme, and you can start building your website scratch from here. You can install the WooCommerce, that will work very fine at this stage. And you can, if you are not going to use this website as for e-commerce activity, you can start customizing your website from here without having demo content. And up to this part, this theme is available for download. As I shown you, you can download the theme Hestia, of course, and the link will be available in the description of this video. You can download the Hestia using this link. This is themeizel.demo, and start using for your website. This is absolutely free up to this part. And yes, if we want the pro version, that can be available in the pro version part. So choice is yours, what you want. Everything is available in the description of this video. You can just follow the link. And we have this website as outcome as of now, what we did, and our activity is complete. So it is very simple, as we said, that it is a material design one page WordPress theme, and you can use this for your business website, of course. And now I'll show you some hooks. These are the hooks which has been applied on this page. So hooks, you can say the anchor tags, it is also called as anchor tags, and you can use all such features. Okay, so this is, I'm going back to the dashboard, and as of now it is very clean, and we did not got anything additional. So this is Hestia Pro hooks is available here, and Hestia Pro options we can choose to have. So I'll show you what we are going to getting started and recommended action. Useful plugins are here, support and all such things. Okay, so this is about the Hestia Pro. This is version 3.0.17, and yes, you can use all these features if you are using the pro version. These are the additional plugins that will definitely enhance or mm, the features of your website. Okay, that is good. And okay, so this is install and activate is available Orbit Prox by the theme as well, and the RSS aggregator, Gutenberg blocks, Elementor website builder, and visualizer. Okay, so what we will do, we can install the WooCommerce first to just to check whether it works fine with the WooCommerce as well. So I'll simply install the WooCommerce using the add new feature of plugin area, and it is simple. And if you are getting the theme at WP Themes website, you can order the theme along with the hosting plan. So hosting plan is always important for your WordPress website, and we always recommend to use a standard but suitable hosting plan. I'm just completing the WooCommerce installation by putting the demo information, but you should use the original information as applicable for you. So just it will take a minute. So these steps are however necessary, but you should put the original data, actual data, as you are using for your website. Okay, so here you need to choose Hestia Pro, which is currently installed theme, and continue with my active theme is choosing here is necessary. This is what I was willing to show you. Okay. Okay, so installation is now complete of WooCommerce as well, and now we are good for going. Since we have installed the WooCommerce as well, so we can use this theme for e-commerce activity as well. In order to import the demo content, you should install the WooCommerce if you are in plan for using this theme for e-commerce activity. Okay, simply click on import demo content. Let us see what is here. And yes, so these are the Hestia original options. So yes, plugins, WooCommerce we have already installed, so we are not going to choose here. And yes, if you have not installed WooCommerce, you can select from here. Content, yes we need. Customizer, yes you need. Widgets we need. And Orbit Prox by content contact form, yes, okay, that is fine. So simply click on import here, and now the plugin installation has begun, and you have to wait on this screen until it gets complete. Don't refresh or leave this page. This is a necessary activity if you want a demo website. So it will not take more than a minute. So yes, you can see it all got completed. Content was successfully imported, and we can have a look on our website, and we can start using our own content as well. Okay, so this is being the demo website which we got in the demo import. And now so WooCommerce is here. You can see the complete website is available now. So this is out of stock. Okay, so I'll show you any product which is in stock. This is a very lightweight, perfect theme for your business. So I always recommend to have a very fast loading website for your business, and this theme gives you this edge of advantage that it is really very fast loading, and even the WooCommerce part of this theme works very fine. This is what the material design can bring to your website, and if you are using a material design theme, it is really worth using for your business, because Google or any search engine likes only a fast loading website with minimal feature, with no error in the coding, and which is perfect for mobile devices and handheld devices, and this theme has all these features. So you have a great choice if you are okay with the minimal design, and it has all the areas. Now this is the customizer, which you can use. This portion you can use for controlling your website, and now you can upload the logo from here, and appearance settings. So general setting, page layout setting is here, sidebar width and container width you can set here. So all the basic settings is available in the general setting. Typography, you can choose the fonts, and all colors you can handle, like this magenta color can be changed in accent color, secondary color, and all body text color can be changed from here. So color control is in your hand. Background image, yes, you can change this background image and all, and button is of course, so button radius you can increase or decrease. Okay, fine. So these are the controls available with the Hestia Pro WordPress theme. With the installation it comes, and now we have some additional feature as well. So Orbit Fox, so social sharing module Orbit Fox is installed along with the demo content, so you can use these modules for your website, like social sharing module, Gutenberg blocks, analytics integration, Hestia Pro enhancements, and all such things has been given for you. And WP Forms also included with the demo installation. So this is for creating the contact forms at your website, and nothing additional is required, and nothing has been given as well. So this is being the complete part of Hestia Pro, and we got a wonderful website in this activity, of course. And yes, we can check the what pages we got in the demos. These are the pages available. So home and sample page, some front page, some basic page has been given in the demo. Okay, so we have seen all the features of Hestia Pro, and you can use this theme up to free version, or you can have a pro version as well. So all is yours, and you can just follow the link given in the description, and you will get rest of the information there on the website. And yes, we are going to bring wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you, and we are expecting you in all our videos on next releases as well. Okay, good. So keep watching, keep building. Thank you.